provide opportunities to practice the skills following the video. Actually, in the real situation, and if you have a group, sometimes what we do is do a lot of role playing. Role playing and acting is actually becoming a wonderful thing in intervention for children with autism. We're seeing a lot of dramatic play. We're also seeing a lot of performances, a lot of theaters cropping up that teach individuals on the autism spectrum a lot of different skills: communication and social interaction, regulating your emotions, showing different emotions, and that just ties in beautifully with role playing. Role playing is acting. I do run social skills groups, and I wanted to provide you with a group schedule, what that might look like. This is a 1-hour group for children aged 6 to 8. The theme for this particular evening was taking turns. This was a pretty standard schedule that we used for our 8-week social skills group. First, checking in with their emotions. I always like to know how a child is feeling before we get started, because we might have to make some major adjustments in our social skills group if they're feeling anxious or they had something happen to them right before they came to group. I need to know emotionally how they're functioning. We also do a warm-up activity. I'm using currently a lot of child improv games. They're simple games that allow you to act something out. And sometimes we make up our own, but sometimes we just use books. There are a lot of books out there for children's improv games. And that just warms kids up for social interaction. And then we do a video lesson in role play. So if our theme is taking turns, it might be taking turns during play or taking turns in a conversation. And that video is shown. And then we have a snack, but what's important is that every single activity have a social interaction, structured social interaction built into it. It's not just snack, but it's something's happening socially in snack.